I don't get it. Women say they want connection, intimacy, but when I try to start it, they pull away.
That's because most men don't understand this one truth. Women love intimacy, but they hate the pressure of starting it.
Intimacy doesn't start with touch. It starts with trust, with comfort, with how safe she feels in your presence.
Real relationship isn't about chasing closeness. It's about creating the space where it happens naturally.
Biologically, women are wired to respond to emotional safety before physical closeness.
That's why some men can be attractive, confident, even funny, and still fail to connect.
Because attraction doesn't equal comfort. It's an invitation, not permission. She might enjoy your company, but if she doesn't feel safe, she won't open up.
So what do I do instead?
You stop trying to make a move. You start creating a moment that feels effortless. The right vibe makes the next step feel natural. Step 1. Observe nonverbal cues.
Before you speak, watch. Is she relaxed? Is she facing you? Does her energy feel open?
Lights. Those are the silent.
Those are the silent green lights of comfort. But if she's distant, distracted, or her energy feels off,
A real man adjusts his pace to the moment.
Step 2. Start with warmth, not touch.
Connection begins before touch. It begins with your energy, your calmness, your authenticity.
Smile because you mean it. Listen like you care. Women can sense fake charm, but they melt around genuine peace. So the secret is comfort?
Exactly. The safer she feels, the more naturally intimacy unfolds.
Step 3. Build anticipation with words.
compliment her vibe, not her body. Notice her humor, her confidence, her spark. When she feels seen for who she is.
Flirting isn't about sexual lines. It's about playful energy. Tease her lightly.
Women remember feelings over words. It is energy, not your lines, that truly seduces. You must control the vibe.
Step 4. Maintain eye contact and energy sync.
Eye contact isn't just looking, it's seeing. It says, I'm here. I see you. I'm not rushing anywhere.
It's a rhythm, babe. Look, breathe, relax. Too much intensity feels like pressure.
Too little feels like indifference. Walk in sync, match her tone. Move with her energy. Not ahead of it. Step 5. Let intimacy happen naturally.
Women crave connection as deeply as you do, but they need to feel safe enough to surrender to it. When you master that, you'll never have to initiate again.
When comfort deepens, intimacy happens on its own. No forcing. No guessing. Only pure emotions. If she leans in, mirror it. If she pauses, respect it. Every time you honor her comfort, you earn her trust. And trust is what turns chemistry into connection. Mistakes men make. Most men fail because they swing between extremes. Some rush and destroy the vibe. Others freeze and kill the momentum. The solution is, be the man she wants. You don't force it, you guide her. You don't control her, you control your energy. Final message. Women crave connection as deeply as you do, but they need to feel safe enough to surrender to it. When you master that, you'll never have to initiate again, it'll just happen. This isn't about game, it's about grounded masculinity, calm, confident, and aware. If this video gave you clarity, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. And don't forget to share the video to your friends.
Next episode, why women lose interest after the first date and how to fix it. Stay sharp, stay grounded, lead with awareness.